A 35-year-old man has TSH level, thyroid stimulating hormone 6.03 mU per liter. What change should she brings in her diet to control this level? Thyroid stimulating hormones means thyroxine hormone. Which diet should be controlled? Iodized salt. When do women face a greater risk of abnormal TSH level? When do women face a greater risk of abnormal thyroid stimulating hormone level? Thyroid level केतेबेले स्त्री लोक मानकर गोटे रिस्क हो जाए. TSH levels during menstruation, while giving birth and after going through menopause. Menstruation period समय आ गोटे हला while giving birth छुआ जन्म कला पर भी तांकर thyroid level disturb हुए, and after going through menopause means when menstruation stops 45-50 years हो गले वुमेन मानकर आउ menstruation cycle हुए ना तापर भी मध्य thyroid रो disturb होवर चांस. Which are the hormones secreted by the parts marked as ovaries, pancreas, pancreas hormone secret. Pancreas borok, insulin, adrenal gland, adrenaline, thyroid gland, liver, bile juice, salt. Why do we prefer a convex mirror as rear view mirror in vehicles?
Because it gives a large, big picture of the back view.
The field of view of a convex mirror is wider than that of a concave mirror, and convex mirror always produce erect image of object. So we prefer convex mirror as rear view mirror of vehicles. Read, a concave mirror produces 3 times magnified real image. A concave mirror produces 3 times magnified enlarged real image of object. A concave mirror produces 3 times magnified enlarged real image of object placed at 10 cm in front of it. Enlarged real image of object placed at 10 cm in front of it. Where is the image located? Where is the image located? That means you have to find image distance V. What are given? Magnification is 3 times, means magnification is 3. Plus 3 or minus 3?
Plus
No. Real image means real and inverted. Negative. Then magnification M equal to minus 3. You know magnification equal to minus V by U. Magnification equal minus V by U. Minus 3 equal to minus V by U means minus 10. Given object distance given 10.
Minus V equal to minus 30.
V equal to minus 30. That means image distance is 30 cm in front of the mirror. Next, Where should an object be placed in front of a convex lens to get a real image of the size of the object? Where should an object be placed in front of a convex lens to get a real image of the size of the object?
Where should an object be
Where should an object be
placed?
placed in front of a convex lens to get a real image of the size of the object? Option: at the principal focus of the lens, at twice the focal length, at infinity.
Focal.
No, at the twice the focal length means center of curvature. Lens ro f1 2f1 means center. Twice the focal length. When the object is at twice the focal length means 2f1 or center, then the image size is same as the size of object. Next, a spherical mirror and a thin spherical lens have each of a focal length minus 15 cm. The mirror and lens are likely to be dash both concave, both convex. Mirror is concave and lens is convex. Mirror is convex and lens is concave.
Mirror is convex, lens is
Both concave. Focal length negative means always concave. Focal length positive for convex. Focal length is negative means concave mirror and concave lens. Next, name the type of mirror is used in the following situation. Solar furnace. Solar furnace means concave nature. The sunlight को converge करेगा. Side or rear view of mirror, convex mirror, to get larger field of view and erect image. So that is why convex mirror is used. Headlight of car, concave. क्या होती है? One half of a convex lens is covered with a black paper. One half of a convex lens one half of a convex lens covered with a black paper. Will this lens produce a complete image of the object?
No, sir.
Will this lens produce a complete image of the object? Verify your answer. Suppose a convex lens is covered with one half portion of the convex lens covered with black paper. Then it will this produce a complete image of the object. The lens will produce also complete image. Why? But the image have lower intensity, lighter. Lower intensity means lighter, and brightness is lower. Brightness is high brightness. Brightness is lower, high brightness. Because in the lower part of the lens the rays are blocked. So that is a complete image is formed, but it is low intensity but low density with brightest. बुझिपारे जदि जो इमेजटा देखा पूरा फिका देखा लाइट देखा ମାନେ ତାର ଡାର୍କ କଲର୍ ଦେଖାଯିବନି ଇମେଜ୍ର। ବ୍ରାଇଟନେସ୍ କଲେ କ'ଣ ଦେଖାଯାଏ? ପୁରା ହ୍ୱାଇଟ୍ ହ୍ୱାଇଟ୍ ହେଇଯାଏ। ମୋବାଇଲରେ ବ୍ରାଇଟନେସ୍ କରୁଛ କେବେ? ଫଟୋ ଯେଉଁ ଏଡ଼ିଟ୍ କରନ୍ତି, ଧର ଆମ ଫଟୋଟା ଯେଉଁଭଳିଆ ଦେଖାହେଉଛି, ବ୍ରାଇଟନେସ୍ କଲେ ପୁରା ହ୍ୱାଇଟ୍ର ପଡ଼ିଯିବ, ବୁଝିଗଲେ? ପୁରା ବ୍ରାଇଟନେସ୍ ଦେଖାଯିବ, ପୁରା ତାର ରିଅଲ୍ ଇମେଜ୍ଟା ଦେଖାଯିବନି, କାହିଁକିନା ସେ କିଛି ପରସେଣ୍ଟ ଲାଇଟ୍ ଗୁଡ଼ିକ ବ୍ଲକ୍ ହେଇଗଲା, ଆଉ ପାସ୍ କରିକି ଗଲାନି। Next, a full length image of a distant tall building can definitely be seen by using this: a concave mirror, a convex mirror, a plane mirror, both concave as well as plane mirror. No,
Concave.
no, convex mirror. Focal length of a plane mirror is this: infinite, 0, 25 cm, minus 25. Plane mirror, infinite. Focal length of a plane mirror is infinite. Why? As the radius of a curvature is infinite in a plane mirror. The SI unit of resistivity.
Ohm.
The SI unit of resistivity. Ohm meter. SI unit of electric power.
Volt.
Watt. SI unit of electric power.
Watt.
1 kilowatt dash watt.
1000 watt.
1000 watt. Next, an electric fan runs from the 220 volt mains. Write down. An electric fan runs from the 220 volt mains. The current flowing through it is 0.6 ampere. The current flowing through it is 0.6 ampere. Full stop. At what rate is the electrical energy? At what rate is the electrical energy transformed by the fan? Transformed by the fan. Question mark. How much energy is transformed in 2 minutes? How much energy is transformed in 2 minutes? What are given? Potential difference V equal to 220 volt, current I equal to 0.6 ampere, time equal to 2 minutes, which is 120 second. 120 second. Then you have to find power. Power equal to VI, 220 into 0.6, which is 132 watt. Power is V equal to VI. V into I. V is 220, I equal to 0.6. 220 into 0.6, which is 132 watt. Then find E, energy. E equal to power into time. E equal to power 132, time 120 second. 132 into 120, which is 15840 joule. 15840 joule.